Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing for the March kit for Felicity Jane. And I'm just going to take everything out. Give me 1 second because I literally just got it in the mail. This came a little bit late. I mean, I'm usually late. Who are we kidding? I'm usually late, but this came even later because of shipping delays. You know, the post office is a bit crazy lately, but it's all right. We all just have to practice a little bit of patience. So let me show you what I got for this month. And the name for this kit is called Julia, and we get let's start with the paper hex since I have it right here. I should leave it out because I am ready to get back into crafting, you guys. I'm excited for it again. Okay, so like I said, this one is Julia, and they have the same kind of tones of soft colors in all of their kits, and I think that's what attracts me to this company. So again, Julia. So we have some floral 12 by 12 sheets here, and then on the background with just some black and white strips. I'll put it over here so it doesn't get in the way. We have a background of just some hearts and then some trellis. Then we have dots and alphabet. No, it's not just alphabets. You get numbers as well. So it's more like a typewriter. Words and numbers in black and white. Then we have a plaid, white and blue, and then rainbows in the background. And I'm excited because I've never really played with rainbows, and I'm kind of going off on a little side conversation, but I'm excited to get this stamp set right here and see if I could figure out and create my own colors of rainbows. And I noticed that I was excited when I saw that in the kit. Then we have a grid of soft pink and then just spots on the back, black and white. Then we have stripes and stars on the back. And these are the solid cardstock. Again, usually they attach two to each kit, and the colors always matches the collection. I just love that blue. Okay, so that was the paper. Let me see. Kind of want to make them pretty so I could take a picture. Like that, or something like that. So we have that. I'm going to move it off to the side. Then we got a washi tape that's just black stars, black and white stars. Well, the stars are black, but the background is white. And I showed you the stamp set already. It's basically detailing your story and creating just a bit that you could use for journaling. So I'm excited to play these. I've noticed that I don't play as much with the stamps as I should. Then you have puffy yellow stickers. I love these. Honestly, their stickers are like one of my favorite. Then we have a small version of papers. These must be 6 by 6. Yep, 6 by 6. So we have that. Then we have like a hexagon. Oh, and these are double-sided. Yes, they are. And you get 2. Or how did I get? Yeah, you get 2 of each. So here's this one, and then the back is just some hexagon shapes, black and white. some stripes. And then the back of this one is this checkered black and white. And then you have basic cardstock. Look at those colors. Those are definitely Easter colors right there. So nice for backgrounds and basically scraps. Then we have the 3x4 journal cards. I'm like really excited. I am happy to have my mojo back. These again are just single-sided. So we have some florals, some stripes, that kind of typing format that was kind of like the one for that back. This one right here. It's kind of like the same typewriter style. Then some dots, some grid, some diagonal lines. This week, create this little square one, the star, pink one, and then the heart one. This pink honestly has got to be like my favorite shade of pink. I just love that. Then we also got some epoxy stickers, and we got some chipboard buttons. These are always great for decoration or things like that. Just honestly part of your stack. And then we have some green. Is it green? I wanted to see something. Hold on, because I have the other ones from the other kit. Oh, and I thought the colors were the same, but they're not. Look, there's like almost like a blue and then a green. I mean, it is a blue and then a green, but they're really close. And I thought it was the same. I was gonna say, oh well, I'll just pass this one along, but they're not. So I just love those little clipboards. I think they make the perfect accent. And lastly, we have the die cut pieces, and this is Julia. And then you have again all your chipboard pieces. I'm just gonna kind of place them here on the mat so that you guys can see. And I've said this on multiple times, you guys, but their pieces are very well made. They're like really good quality. And this is everything that was part of this kit. How adorable. I was gonna say how stinking adorable, but that is the kit for this month, you guys. So I hope that you enjoyed watching. I'm sorry it was hopefully not too long. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Have a good one. Bye.